Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Rise of the Tomb Raider game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio or voiceover language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rise of the Tomb Raider game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you will see the continue button from where you can continue playing from wherever you last left. Now, if you wish to change the audio language without starting any game, go ahead and click on Options, as this option will not be available if you have already started playing. From here, just click on Audio and Languages, and now you will see various different audio settings along with language options. Now, if you change the text language, only the text interface language will be changed. So if you wish to change the audio language, go into the voiceover language section and then use the arrows at the left and right in order to choose from the list of available languages. After choosing your desired language, you can simply go back and your changes will automatically be saved. You can then start playing your game with your chosen language settings applied right away, and at any point in time, you can go back to the same menu in order to change it once again if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio language on the Rise of the Tomb Raider game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.